First of all, I have to say, what is ESTAD? ESTAD stands for European Steel Technology and Application Days. That means it covers everything around steel making. And it was founded in 2013 to have a counterpart to the big conferences in North America and Asia. So what we are doing here today is to put all experts together and to discuss the newest items in technologies for iron steel making, starting from blast furnaces to direct reduction steel making, rolling, steel materials and their application, as well as also improvements of environmental protection and also in CO2 mitigation. The biggest challenge is what we are hearing also during the opening, during the keynote sessions, that is the transformation of the steel industry in Europe, for example, to get to the target of green steel making in the future. That means it's a changeover from the conventional blast furnace converter technology based on coke and coal to the, first of all, natural gas-based direct reduction technology, or later on the hydrogen-based direct reduction technology, with the melting of the DRI in an electric arc furnace or in a submerged arc furnace, which is sometimes also called open slag bath furnace, producing a liquid hot metal with the refining of the hot metal based on DRI and based on melting in an SAF in a basic oxygen converter. The transition means the shutdown of plants and the construction of new plants. The construction of new plants means, in the end, also the use of a lot of money. The transformation means as well the need for a lot of electrical energy, fossil-free electrical energy, or let me say CO2-free electrical energy, and the use of free CO2-free produced hydrogen. Digitalization helps everywhere. It helps in the total industry to make improvements of the productivity and all other items. In the end, it's clear that digitalization or Industry 4.0, call it whatever, is also of benefit for these production steps. I have to say these production steps are already existing. They are existing in the world. We have 100 direct reduction shaft furnaces operated throughout the world, producing some 70 or 80 million tons of DRI in the world, but not yet in Europe. In Europe, we have one plant. It's a plant of ArcelorMittal Hamburg, which was, I think, commissioned in 1972 and produces 400,000 tons. But all these plants already are using digitalization and also Industry 4.0 or automation, if you call it like this. And the main topic, as I mentioned before, is of course the big way to transform steel making to get climate neutral or nearly climate neutral in the future. And we covered this in a lot of invited papers. We have a lot of invited papers on the first day today. In the end, 12 papers from the steel industry, the steel making industry, the plant supplying companies, and they will present their projects, what they are doing at the moment in getting the target or reaching the target of CO2-free steelmaking. Because the European Commission announced that by 2050, the European continent will be the first climate-neutral continent in the world. And the steel industry is part of it and has to achieve this target.